welcome to my channel. This video is a shorter version of my coding Twitch stream, which was about building a binary clock. If you have some question regarding my outfit, that was a Halloween special coding stream, so I hope you like my outfit. I use C# to solve this coding challenge, and you are welcome to use any language you prefer. If you have any ideas for my next coding challenge, please let me know in the comments below. Building binary clock. This can be fun. A binary clock displays the time of day in binary format. Modern binary clocks have 6 columns of lights, 2 for each of the hour, minutes and seconds. The photo below shows binary clock displaying the time 12, 15, 45. The binary values increase from the bottom to the top row. Lights on the bottom row have value of 1, lights on the row above have the value of 2, then 4, la 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 la. Any 24-hour time can be shown by switching a certain combination of lights. For example, we show the time 10:37:49. Yeah, that can be fun. My colleague had a binary clock on his table when I was in my previous company. It was fun to read what time it is. Should we try to build this one? Yes, no, maybe. And how about music? Is it too loud? How about the quality of the video? Is it alright? How is the music? Anyone here alive? Everything is perfect. Great. So, will be interesting if we can solve it, right? Maybe I will get stuck, sit here and cry and then close the stream and bye. Part 2 of this project would be built in Arduino binary clock as well. I don't know. That's something I'm not really good at. I mean, I tried to do something, or like watch tutorials how to build stuff with Arduino, but I never got anything like working. Only a toy for my cat where you like you have a little motor and then it's spinning like this, and there is a butterfly, and like it's spinning, and the cat goes crazy and runs after that. That was the only thing that was kind of working. Let me understand what they want from us. They have test cases, great. And as I said on previous coding streams, that I am kind of not very comfortable working with arrays, because in C# you don't really use arrays that much. There is a list, which is basically an array but with some additional features. So, and because we don't know the size of the array, most of the time I'm using lists. But now I'm getting a bit more comfortable with arrays, I guess. If I'm good at math? Not at all. Not at all. I was a math teacher, but I'm not good at math. But that's not why I left school. I left for a different reason. So you have decided to build your binary clock, and you need to figure out how to light each row of the clock to show the correct time. Given the time as a string, return an array containing strings that shows the lights for each row of the clock top to bottom. Use 1 for on and 0 for off, yeah. Leave a blank space for any part of the row that doesn't require light. So if we look here, I don't know if you can see. Can you see? I guess you can. So looking at this example, so 1 is here, 0 here, and then empty spaces here. Yeah, that's great. Where to start? Let's change the name of the project, of the class. Call it binary clock. That's a good start, in my opinion. So, let's think. Okay, we will be still here when you are back. Have a nice walk. Maybe we should change the music. I know it's Halloween, but I need something to cheer me up. What? Let's go this one. Anyone has any ideas where to start? Let's think how we will build it. Will we have our screens in a horizontal or vertical position? They want us to have like horizontal, like read it horizontally, no, vertically, but the strings itself in the output are horizontal. So they are like this, but we are reading them like this. Interesting. So if we go like object-oriented programming approach, we need to create an object entity that will represent our digit. Like, let's say one row here, one row here, one row here, and then the clock will consist of the array of these rows, like strings, characters, or integers, probably characters, right? So let's start with that. Well, let me move my chat somewhere here. Okay. Yeah. Array of characters, and how we will call it, like line, maybe. We can always change the name of the variable later. We don't care. It's not about how we name it, it's about how it works. Actually, it's not true. We have to have very nice, explicit names of the variables. And yeah. So we will have an array of characters, which the length is 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and we have only 4 of them, right? So we will have 4. That's a good start. Yeah, so let's better do like this. So this is our main class, and we will other. Yeah, and call it like digit. Yeah, and then move this one from here to the place where we will handle our digits. This one will be public. Yeah, so we have one of those. And we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them to create the clock, right? Let's go with the constructor. And in here we will need to pass. So see, they have different, like the standard length is 4, but this one can only be like length of 2 because you can have like 24 hours. And the first digit is 2. Right, so you either like this one or this one. Here all of them can be used, right? Here only 3, 4, 3 and 4. So we have options 2, 3 and 4. Which means we have to define the max length of our digit of this row. And I think that will be the first argument we will send. Do we need anything else? Yes, because we need the actual digit that we are setting, because here they say like you take 1 and then you convert it to a binary. You send 3 and you convert it to a binary, so we need to send like what the actual digit is. Digit reset. Yes, so we need to add more to the constructor. Our max length. And we will need our like digit that this way. So let's do like this. Right. And then we will go like here. Oh, it wanted to help me, but it doesn't want anymore. Thank you. Will you help me? Oh, I have to. I fucked up. This one has to be capital. And this one is here. Yes. That's better. So, what do we need to do now? We said that we have one line, right? But we like need to create a method that will populate it. So we will do it. So in here, yeah. Populate book. Did I misspell it? Probably no. Cheers! And here we will create a loop. The length will be like 4, right? Because I could create a variable and just store for that so we don't have any magic numbers around, but I guess we can fix it later. I always say, we can fix it later, no one ever fixes it. So we will go into our line, take the index and set the value. But how we will set it? We have to consider the max length. So we will either set 1, 0 or empty space. Okay. So we will check if and then max length. So if it's not greater than max length, then we will set then we will set 0. Otherwise, so we just populate them, all of them, with the zeros or empty spaces. And then when we will set time, like actual time converted to binary, we will check, okay, does it have to be 0 or 1? And that will be next step, I believe. And empty space. I hope it will work. So we will need to add this guy to our construct. Yeah. Yeah, I agree with you. Don't listen to me, okay? I'm a bad teacher. No, I'm not. I'm a good teacher. But I'm not teaching here. I am learning myself. And we are learning together, right? I mean, if you know how to solve it, then please tell me. Oh, yeah. So, what should we do? Should we run a test and see how the digit will look? Should we do that? Before we create even more mass that is already here. So I have a unit test project. We can add some dependencies. Yes. And I believe I need to install some Nougat packages. Save. Something we need for our unit testing. This one. Yeah, maybe we will have to find it, because there is no guarantee anything will work here. Maybe it will explode. Whew. So we have our reference, we have fluent assertion, we don't need to mock anything, so that's great. I think we are ready to write our first test. This music is... I'm not vibing really today. I need something else. The option for like random play? Probably not. Whatever, I'm not getting distracted. So, our first test. Let's call it properly. What we will test? What do we have? We have our digit. And and we want to see if the digit is populated with the correct values. So it's a fact. Digit, and I need to import it, sorry. Will you help me or should I do it myself? Yes, thank you. Oh, wrong. This one. Better. Right, and what do we have in our constructor? So we are sending a max length and digit that. So we will go here and send. Let's send 4 and 3. So which means this one will be 4, but we will actually set number 3 in binary. B. Probably not B. To be or not to be? Equals? No. Equivalent? Where is my equivalent? Damn it. Sometimes it's not here. Ah! You know what? We are not doing it on the... That's class. What am I doing? We are doing it on the line. Yeah. So what is equals to? Should we copy just this one? But in fact, it will have like, go here. It's an array of characters, so this one doesn't help us with anything. So we will do like this, new array of letters. And then in here, we will just write what characters. So here, daylight, the first one will be like the second and the third. The last one will be empty space, right? This one. This one. That's what I think, right? What do you think, guys? And then this one will be empty. Okay. Yeah. So let's see. You probably can't see anything because I am in the middle of... Should I move myself? In here? I guess this one is better. Over here. Wait, I'm moving. So let's try to run it. Where's my Test Explorer? Oh. Great, it failed. Beautiful. Thank you for following. Bobby Asatru. Sorry if I don't pronounce it correct. Then let's start debugging. Oh. Ah, wait. There's something wrong. Go back. Equals is not a part of Fluent assertion. Equal. I need to use equal. So that's good news. I didn't fuck up the the expected output. I fucked up the method. Rebuild. I'll just kill it and run. Okay, so what do we have here? We have if you can see anything here, the expected line is equal to 0, 0, 0 and then empty, but I have 0, 0, 0. Okay. And why so? But isn't it what we expected to have? Ah! I am sometimes very dumb. So the max length I set at the beginning, this is the max. This is like 3, 4 and like other stuff, right? So we will have, if the maximum length is 4, then we have to have all of them as like zeros. That totally makes sense, because if we wanted to send like 3 here, then this one would be empty. Do you agree? And now let's try to run the one with the 3. Correct value is 1, just for testing purposes. So we are not using the second parameter yet because that one will be used to set to convert normal time to binary time. We are just checking if it populates it correct. So we can continue. Run. Yes, this one is also green. That's good. That's a good start. Yeah, now we can get back. So we have all the basic stuff we need. Now we need to write a method that will actually convert normal time to a binary time. And we have to take into consideration that we can only use 1, 2, 4, and 8. Right? So if we get like 8, we will light this one. If we get 9, we will light this one and this one. Yeah. I can't really think of how to make it, like to write it in a pretty way. So maybe I will write it in not pretty way and we will refactor it later. No, we will not. I mean, it's better to write it and see how it works and what it does and if it actually works, and then actually later optimize it. I believe so. Rather than sit for 2 days and think how to make it pretty, and at the end it's not even a working solution, right? Set time. You might disagree with me, but what if I? Yeah. So now we will go just one by one, starting from the top, and see and check what number it is, and from that we will subtract the given options and see which ones we will need to light. Like to light means to give it 2, like 1, right? Let's just do like this. We have our digit to set. So if digit to set is like what if we do like this? So if it's equal, this one is kind of a bit tricky. So we need to figure out which one we need to light. And we have our lines. We'll have 6 of them, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I believe so. But we have only 4 options for the numbers, so we will consider each of them and see what we can get. Thank you for following Chili Zone. Welcome, join us. So in this case, we will need to take our digit to set and subtract 8, and then zero, 1, 2, 3, and do like this. So we will light this one, right? And in case we have like 4, then it will be index 2. And then I guess I will go through all of them and do like this and see. Ooh. I mean, I should have probably flipped them, like flip them. Right? But doesn't matter. Maybe it doesn't even work. And one, 0. Yeah, let's see. We'll get our set time and we will call it from our constructor. Yeah? Maybe we should write a test and see what will happen. Actually already have some tests, we can just reuse them. Because now we have the second parameter and we can use it. So if the length is maximum length is 4 and we are setting number 3, so it will be like the first one will be 1, second one, and the third will be also 1, and this one will be... No, we are setting number 3, so it will be 1, 1. Wait. We are setting 3, and length will be 4, so we will light only these two, and these two will be zeros. Let's try to reuse this one and see. And here we can send like 2. Like here we will try to set number 1. So maximum length will be 2 and we are setting 1. So what do we expect? We expect to have 1 here, 0 here, and empty space here, right? It doesn't like it. I don't know, it doesn't like something. Let's try to run it. I will not look. Did it pass? Really? I need to run it again because I don't believe it. I mean, apparently, yeah. Where's my chat? Cool. So we have 2 tests, which means it's setting time correct. Maybe we should try to set this one. Value 2. So we will try to set for length. So we will set this row. We will have for max length, and we will try to set 9, which means we will have 1 here, 0 here, 0 here, and 1 in here. Yeah, so that also worked. Nice. Now we can add all these lines into our clock, binary clock, and see what it does, how it goes, what happens. Right, and it's here. So what do we have? We have we have a lot of digits. So it will be an array of digits. Digit. Nice. But we don't know how. Like, we will go like this. 3. Okay, that's the tricky part. They have like 1, 2, 3, 4 of them horizontally, but ours are actually vertical. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Which means we will have to like transform them from the array of 4. Like, we will have to flip them to give the result in the format that they expect us to be, like this one. Because what we are doing now, it's not the one. In our case, right now the columns are the rows. So we need to initiate our clock. Public clock. Let's call it clock. Yes, so it will be. Damn it. Thank you. And we will get a string, right? Because they want us to have a string of characters. Well, actually, it's not characters. They want us to give it. No, it's a string. String, yeah, that's fine. We'll call it time. And in here we will say our digits. Will be array and 6. And in here we will just hardcode it. So we will send The first one will be maximum length is 2. And from the time is this one. This is what they are sending to us, and we will have to subtract our numbers, our integers, and probably ignore this column. So we will say the first one will correspond to the first digit, right? This one. In our case, in the first test, it's 1. So we have a string, but we can treat it as an array, and we will take index 0. Right? The second one. Here the max length is 4. And we will take index 1. Is it complete? Oh, because I don't have 6 of them, that's alright. Next one. Next one, max length is 3. Shit. But we will ignore this one. This is index 2, so we will take index 3. Okay. Next one. We will have max length. What? Wait. Yeah, it's 4. And we had index 3 here, so there will be 4. Next one. We have 4 of them, so this one will be again 3. But we will ignore this one and take index 6. We'll ignore 5 because 5 is not integer that we are interested in, it's just a character, this column. And the last one, max length 4 and the index 7. Semicolon, boom. Doesn't complain. Doesn't mean that it works. Yeah. So. Should we try and test it and see how it will look? What do you say? Anyone alive here? Let me check if there is anyone alive. People show some... Thank you. Ah, yes. I can stretch, yes. I needed a sign that people are alive here. Yeah, I will stretch. Cool. Now I think we should make a quick test to see if we didn't fuck up anything. So we'll create a new test. And thanks, I need a lot of luck. Here we will see if our clock, the binary clock, sets time. Right? And in here, we will not test digit, but we will test the binary clock. What? It doesn't like something? Probably unhappy with the namings. I mean, nothing is wrong. Yeah, so that was complaining because the argument was from the previous test. And let's say here they want us to take this time. Right? So what do we expect to get? Well, it's hard for me to say how it, like to write it manually, how it will look, because we haven't transformed it to the view, like to this one. Ours will look a bit different. So I will just create some variable for testing purposes and put a debug and see how it will look. Like here. So this is our digits. The first one, max length is 2, right? And we need to see in the line which ones have what value. Yes, so that's not what we want, because this is characters. So we want it to be integers. Right? That will not work. That's because when you go like you have either when you look at the string as a, if you treat it as an array, right, and you take the integer, it will return you a character. So you either have to do it to string and then parse it to integer, or take a different approach. So we will take this one, copy it, and here send in the constructor, change the integer to character. Right? and then we will call 1. And then this one will go in here. Yeah, let's see how this one will work. Yeah, we're doing unit testing. Nope, still not what I wanted. Something is very much off. Let's put it... yeah. So in here we will go like, what is all the time? Is this one, and if we take this, what we will get? This is a character. So it's 1. So the one a great picture. So, how to memorize the ASCII table? So 49 is 1. That's exactly what we are doing, but we don't want that one. We want it to be like an integer. That's what we want. You can subtract from if you want an int value from them. You can also go convert it to a string, like to string. Now we are getting 1, and then we parse it to integer and we get what we want. But there is probably a better way to do it. Let me think, what is the better way? Let's try to do something. In here. So we will have our digit to set. What is Chat writing there? We can do something. Maybe here. So we have our character. Let's try to do this. Thank you for following. Wuthan's vector. I'm sorry if I don't pronounce it 100% correct. We could do this. But we will do something else, maybe. Get numeric value from this one. And we can cast it to integer. Boom. And this guy now integer. Let's see. Will it hit our test? Probably not, because I already removed the breakpoint. That's fine, we'll put it back. I'm afraid to look in here. Oh my god, it worked! Yes, hallelujah! Looky. Look. So we, like here, it's going from bottom to the top, but we are reading from the top to the bottom. So it's 1, 0, empty, empty, right? If we go to the second one, it has to be 0, 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, yes. And the third one has to be 1, 1, 0, empty. 1, 1, 0, empty. So it's working. Yeah. Well, that's not the end, because the hardest part will be to convert it from the way we are doing it, like to present them our binary clock in the way they expect us to do, like this one. You can see I highlighted. Probably you can you? Yeah. So that will be the problem. But that's good, that's good. It's doing something that we kind of wanted to do. Now the final step. We need to transform our binary clock, which is an array of 6 of these guys, digits, this one, to the one up here. And we will call it public get time. Public void. Is it void? No, it will return us that one. No, it will be void. It will not return anything. Get time. Now, what should we do? Is the totally not what I wanted, and not what I wanted here. I wanted to move myself a little bit, like, so you can see, like from here, somewhere here, but I guess it doesn't matter. We'll have to loop our existing binary clock and create a new like output, new type, the one that our test expects, this one. So it will be a loop in a loop, right? I think so. Leave a blank space there. I guess that's what we're going for. So let's create a new variable. It will be a new list. I will be using list because I want to take data from one from our existing array and push it to a different one, and it's easier for me to do it with the list. And then we have, it will be characters, a list of arrays of characters, right? Yeah, I think so. And in here we will create our for loop. And the first one, what will be the first one we will be looping? We will be looping our digits in our 6 array size of 6. And we will set it to a different one, the size of 4. Actually, the other way around. We will take one of those, and then we will see if we need to get a row. So how we will get it? Will be new array of characters, actually the one from here already, and the size will be 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Right? Now we need to loop this one. So we will create a new loop. Loop in a loop. I mean, if you know the better way of doing it, then please come up with some suggestions. And it already suggests me to loop the the other one with 6. Nice, nice. And in here We will have so we will go inside of digits like here, and we will take the one from this loop, right? Then the digits consist of lines. This one is, we will go in the line and get the one from index J. Now what we will do with that test value what we have here? Can you see? Probably you can. I would say that we will go in the row row J equal test. So we take this one from here and set it here. I think that's how it is. And after this, thank you. I don't even have to think, it does it for me. And we will add it to the result. And yeah, let's put a breakpoint and see what it will do. My unit test. Yeah, so now we have to write another test to see what it gives us. We can take this one and see binary clock get time. So we will have binary clock, and in here this breakpoint. And see. Anyone alive here? Did it hit my breakpoint or no? Or I was just running it without debugging? Yes, alive, good. That's good. Yeah, what I was doing, I wanted to check my time. Test, Jesus. Yes, so here, the first one. 0.8. Yeah, that's all great, but we need... Yeah. We want a breakpoint here. Yeah, and then on test we will call get time. And now we will see what exactly we will get. Looking and debugging Python pandas bugs. Good luck. Something happened. Index was outside the bounds of the array. Bye. So this one is length of 4. I see. Thank you, Unitas. Let's try this one. So now we will look at our result. Thank you for following Danny X Finger, welcome. And here. What a nice task.